Okay, I was going to try to wait until tomorrow to do this, but I can't wait. I I opened the box and I have to see what's in these boxes. I didn't look inside of them yet. I only saw what was going on top of the. You'll see. So this is from John Lazar. He gave me a note. The trains in the three boxes and the book is what I mainly was sending to you. The other cars are just filling up the box. Do what you want with them. Your buddy John. So basically, he was sending me this stuff, and instead of finding a smaller box, he stuffed the box with cheap freight, which which is hilarious. I thought that was funny. This this is the stuff that I usually give away, but this is like perfect timing for this stuff for me. Um, these cheap cars with the horn hooks, I'm actually been collecting these because I'm making a horn hook train to show people that some people that don't have a lot of money. I want people to see that you don't have to spend a lot of money. You don't have to buy KD couplers. You don't have to buy the expensive detailed models to enjoy yourself, to play with trains. So what I'm trying to do, or what I am doing, is I'm going to build a cheap trains for my layout, on a yard. I want to run some main lines. I'm going to show you don't have to spend a lot of money to enjoy this hobby. You can play with trains if you're not, if you don't have a lot of money. You know what I mean. So this right now is actually perfect timing for these cars, which is I was laughing when I opened the boxes and when I saw these. I was like, no way. I think I have like 7 of these. So another one is great. If you ask me, the longer the train, the better. And there's 2 Peabodys. I don't have any of these Peabodys, so that's going to be awesome too. Out of these cars, there was one that kind of threw me for a loop. This car here, I think I've made paper airplanes that are heavier than this. This thing has no detail, extremely light. There's no metal at all on it, so there's no weight. And I thought, where did he get this? I mean, I thought, is this something out of the bottom of the cereal box? And I'm like looking at it, and I happen to notice tiny lettering under the truck. So I got a magnifying glass, and I looked under there. Lionel. I'm shocked that is a Lionel product. That blows me away. So I'm going to fix this thing up. Just because it's Lionel, I'm going to add weight inside, put a good load in it, put metal wheels. I'll paint the bottom flat black. I'll dull coat it. I'm gonna make this thing cool. Watch. That's a little project for me. But yeah, as for this stuff, perfect timing, man. Because I have a use for it right now. Later, I might just sell it all, trade it all, or whatever. But for now, I kind of need this stuff. So that's perfect timing. So let me move this stuff over because this is what I want to look into. This is what he was actually sending me. So let's open the first box. John and I don't know, I started sending John stuff. And that I thought that he would be interested in, or well, now this is the first box that he sent me. Oh, no way, John. Are you kidding me? Dude, that's a Baldwin S12. That's a Pensy Baldwin S12. Oh my gosh. I just got 2 of these Santa Fe ones. And so this is my 3rd S12 in a week. Beautiful locomotives. Thank you, John. That's freaking cool as hell. John's trying to turn me into a Pensy. Watch. Hold on. That is awesome. I can't wait to run it. That's going to be cool. Okay. So is that what's in the box? Wow, that is really cool. Check that out, guys. Little Pensy caboose. It's got really cool detail. It's pretty dusty. I like that brown. That looks really good. I mean, in real life, is everything brown, or did they color any railing, or were the steps different, or is that how they used to be in real life? Wow, pretty cool. Man, I'm getting a collection of cabooses like you wouldn't believe. That thing's awesome. I want to run that behind that well. So, let me trying to move stuff out of the way. Spectrum. What'd you give me, Johnny? What is this? Wow, that's got good weight to it. That's a heavy locomotive. Oh, no way. No way, John. GP30. Wow. That looks beautiful. It's even got an engineer in it. It's got the windshield wipers painted on. Grab rails up here. Wow. It's got amazing detail. Look at that. Separate horns on each side. That's different. Were they like that? And with the PRR, did they run their horns like that? Wow, how beautiful is that? This is one of my favorite locomotives, and I think I told John. You know what? I have a picture that John took, and he emailed it to me. Okay, I'm going to get this stuff to move. Let's see. Should be. Nope. That was it. Yeah. You see that in the on the monitor? But that's B&O. Okay. But anyway, John took that picture. And I don't know if you can see the monitor. John took that picture, and I told him that I loved that picture. So he emailed it to me. This way, I can be able to print it and put it on a frame and put it on my wall. But isn't that just a beautiful locomotive? Man, thank you so much, John. This is amazing. Greenberg's Guide to Athearn Trains. Really? That? How old is this one? When was this? Oh no, John. You didn't. Hold on. Is this one of those? It is. Oh my God. I'm going to drool looking through this and reading it all. Is there? Oh, look, you guys. I want that. I want that one. Oh, I want that one. Ooh, I want some of those. I like that one. Oh my, this brings you back. When I was a kid, I would love just looking at these, wishing that I had all of them. I was a dreamer. Wow. Greenberg's Guide to Athearn Trains. Man, John, thank you so much. This is amazing. Man, it's good to have good friends, man. Thank you. Peace out, guys.